Welcome to our comparison of the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070 and RTX 5070 Ti graphics cards. In this video, we'll dive into the specifications, features, and performance of these two powerful GPUs to help you determine which one is the right fit for your gaming and professional needs. We'll cover key areas such as memory capacity, pricing, and memory interface, so stay tuned as we explore the strengths and weaknesses of each card. When it comes to memory capacity, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070 features 12 GB of GDDR7 memory, which is sufficient for most gaming and professional applications. However, the RTX 5070 Ti steps it up with 16 GB of GDDR7 memory, providing enhanced performance for more demanding tasks and future-proofing for upcoming games. This additional memory can make a significant difference in high-resolution gaming and resource-intensive applications, giving the RTX 5070 Ti an edge in this category. Price is always a crucial factor when choosing a graphics card. The GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070 is priced at $659, making it a more budget-friendly option for gamers and professionals looking for solid performance without breaking the bank. In contrast, the RTX 5070 Ti comes in at a higher price of $979. While it offers better specifications, potential buyers must weigh whether the additional cost aligns with their performance needs and budget constraints. Another important aspect to consider is the memory interface. The GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070 features a 192-bit memory interface, which is adequate for most tasks. However, the RTX 5070 Ti boasts a 256-bit memory interface, allowing for greater bandwidth and improved performance, especially in high-resolution gaming scenarios. This difference in memory interface can lead to better overall performance for the RTX 5070 Ti, making it a more capable choice for enthusiasts and professionals alike. In conclusion, both the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 5070 and RTX 5070 Ti offer impressive features and performance. The RTX 5070 is a great choice for budget-conscious gamers, while the RTX 5070 Ti provides enhanced capabilities for those willing to invest more. Ultimately, your decision should be based on your specific needs and budget. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.